Welcome back. It's been a long time. Hey! What are you doing? Just got done feeding the animals. I had cottage cheese and salami. It's like a great combo. Put that on sandwiches, man. Anyways, I got some bad news and I got some bad news. No, Mia, lady is not dead. She's alive and doing well. Except she almost just got trampled. That was close, but we're good. This piggy and this piggy are the bad news. Just kidding, but that's a good piggy. He still got a nose ring in him. This one though, he lost his nose ring. It's not a good sign. He'll tear up the yard. Won't you, big guys? Yes, it's not a good thing. Look what they've done. Like, it's pretty bad. They're trying to escape. Look at that. Look at that gap in the fence. The chickens can almost crawl through that. It's crazy. Yeah, but I haven't been locking the chickens up at night. They're just, I think, caught all the raccoons. And leaving the chickens alone, so it's a good thing. Horsies. Hello. Neighbors have horses and they're so cool. Hello. Don't bite me. I have a family. Ooh, this was warm. There's some cool horsies. I think in the summertime, sister and I, we're probably gonna get horses, so that'll be pretty cool to look forward to. We'll have to flatten all this out and then plant alfalfa or whatever it is, and then the ditch. So this thing runs all the way down there. Or some raccoon traps. We have to buy these pipes and put them in so the water can run through and cover them up. But yeah, that'll be a pain. But my dad said if we get it done, we can get a horse. So let's go look at the pigeons. Ooh, okay, Brace. The pigeons are doing fantastic, but what are you doing up there? So pretty. I don't think the egg is a good egg. Kind of sad, but I've checked it for, the veins help come in the egg, but yeah, it's just a clear egg. It's kind of sad, but I'll give it another week, and if nothing happens, then I have to go bye-bye, sadly. But I think this one is going to lay an egg very soon. But pigeons are doing good. I think they're watered those. Ooh, it's frozen. It gets slushy because sometimes it gets a little cold in here at night. Even without the heat lamp. Even with the heat lamp. But, yep, they're doing good. Good pigeons. We'll talk. Blurry. I may end up getting some new pigeons here soon, so I have to talk to the guy I get them from. But in the upcoming future, guys, there might be some epic banger videos coming out about, little creatures that crawl in the water and taste really good, but we won't be eating these ones, so. This one, what's wrong? You look so sad. She looks sad, I don't know why. But that'll be for a future video. And I'll see you guys next time.